Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious ground beef burgers using an easy method. First, you'll need about 1.5 pounds of good quality ground beef, ideally with an 80-20 lean-to-fat ratio for the best flavor and juiciness. Next, get your favorite seasonings ready, like salt, pepper, and a little garlic powder. Finally, grab a large bowl and clear some counter space. We're about to get cooking. Now, let's form those perfect patties. Gently mix your seasonings into the ground beef, being careful not to overwork it, which can make burgers tough. Divide the meat into 4 equal portions, aiming for about 6 ounces each. Then, shape each portion into a patty about 3/4 of an inch thick. Don't forget to press a small dimple in the center to prevent bulging during cooking.
Hey everyone, quick break. If you're enjoying these easy burger tips, please hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more great content. On another note, life's too short for a stinky car. Grab a Little Tree's Black Ice Air Freshener for your ride. It's a small touch that makes a big difference. You can find a link to grab one, plus other deals, in the description below. Now let's get back to the video.
It's time to cook. Heat your cast iron skillet or grill to a medium-high temperature, around 375 degrees Fahrenheit. Place your patties on the hot surface and cook for about 3 to 5 minutes per side for a delicious medium rare. If you prefer well done, cook until an instant-read thermometer shows an internal temperature of 160 degrees Fahrenheit. Remember, don't press down on the burgers. Almost there. While your burgers are resting, lightly toast your buns on the grill or in a pan for that perfect crunch. Get all your favorite toppings ready: crisp lettuce, juicy tomatoes, sharp onions, and melty cheese. Once everything is prepared, assemble your burgers right away. A warm patty on a toasted bun with fresh toppings is truly a simple pleasure.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.